El Rollo Flat-Track at the Wheels and Waves event is always a fun time, but at this year's event it was made extra special thanks to a one-off ride. So it's not every day that you get to ride a factory bike, but that's exactly what we're going to do today, because I'm going to ride the FTR750 factory Indian Flat-Tracker. How lucky am I? Look at this thing, amazing. It's a wet, muddy day and we're going to head out on track for a few laps, so let's get to it. So between races, I was lucky enough to get a few laps to myself on this full factory bike. Now sat on board this hand-built, powerful machine that has no front brake, I have to say I was more than slightly nervous. But with the track all to myself and the chance to ride such an extraordinary motorcycle, there's only one thing left to do. Gas it. Massive thank you to the Indian crew that made this all happen. I was smiling from ear to ear. And finally, I got to ride a bike that my friend Martin had worked on, and boy, was it worth the wait. Oh my God, that was really amazing. Wow, that was a brilliant experience, and I can definitely say the Indian FTR750 is a dream machine. And now with the announcement of the FTR1200 production machine coming out in 2019, exciting times are ahead for us all. Your camera's got dirt on it.